Hi everyone, it's Jason Bradley from BodyWorx Physio. Here today to give you a few quick tips on stretches you can do at your office desk to help with muscle tension or pain. We see a lot of patients coming in due to tightness in through their muscles in their neck, their upper back and their arms, largely due to the repetitive and sedentary nature of a lot of the work that we have people doing nowadays. So here are your stretches to try out at work if you've got some tightness or some problems. So first up, if we have some tightness in our forearms, the two easy stretches to do, I'm going to turn sideways because it's going to be easier for you to see, is hand out, make a gentle fist and pull that downwards. And you should feel a nice stretch through the arm. You can also alter whether you push the hand more towards your little finger or more towards your thumb, and that'll change the focus of which muscles to do in your forearm. Your next stretch to do is hands up like that and pulling backwards, holding that nice and gently. And you want to do each of these stretches for about 20 to 30 seconds. And that's going to stretch in along through our forearm flexors here. So those are two really important stretches to do if we're doing a lot of typing or mousing or writing. Our next one to do is just a normal tricep stretch. So facing on front again, we just take the arm up and over our head and gently pull that across. Now if you want to add a little bit into that, you can also just tilt your body across, and that'll increase the stretch from just here in the tricep right down through the side of our body here. Our next one to do is through our shoulders. So we can take the arm up and out and across the body nice and gently. So if we're doing this right, you'll feel a nice gentle stretch in through the back of the shoulder here. From there, we're going to keep it up with our arms and with our upper shoulders. And we're going to just gently reach our arms up and slowly arch backwards over our chair. So if I do that from a side view, up and slowly arch backwards. So this is going to give you a bit of a stretch through here, in through your pecs and the front of your shoulders, as well as in through your upper back. Make sure you have a fairly supportive back of the chair and also check the balance on it so that you don't go toppling backwards. So make sure it's fairly sturdy to start with before you do that, otherwise you'll come see it's for another workplace reason. And if you want to get a little bit more through the chest, when you reach back, have the arms out wide, so out like that, rather than up. And that'll focus it a bit more on the chest and a little bit less on the mid-back. Our next one is just using your legs as levers. Grab the side of your leg, the back of your chair, and twist your body. Nice and gently look over that shoulder. And then you repeat to the other side, holding each one for about 20 to 30 seconds. And our last one to do, just while we're sitting there, is just reach forward, crossing your hands over to each foot and hug yourself down towards the floor. Sort of like if you're in a plane crash and you're going to go into the brace position, this is going to help stretch out all through that back. And finally, you can just do some gentle neck stretches. So just taking the neck to each side, looking down and looking up. It's a really great idea if you can to just try doing a little bit of these stretches every half an hour to an hour and really target and focus on those spots that you feel tight in yourself. Even just while you're sitting there typing, gently rolling the shoulders just to help loosen up those muscles and give yourself that cue to not hold them all up nice and tight. So hopefully that's given you some ideas. A quick going back through it. We've got our forearm stretches, our triceps, our back of our shoulder, arching over the chair, whether it's arms up straight, arms out wide. We've got our back stretches, hugging ourselves down, and our neck stretches. So I hope that's given you some ideas. If you've got any more questions, or if you'd like to have some other content in these videos, drop us a message below and we'll get onto those as quickly as we can. Thanks and have a great day.